So the big picture for this lesson is solving systems of equations using matrices. Here's a simple system, has two variables and two equations. So what I'm going to do is write this in matrix form, and then explain how you would solve it from there. So first I'm going to make the coefficient matrix. And that's 1, 1, 3, -1, just using those values in front of the x's and the y's. My variable matrix, xy, those are the two variables, and the constant matrix, which is the right side, 4, 7. This says the exact same thing. So why is it the x, y are vertical and the 4 and the 7? Well, when you multiply, it would be 1 times x plus 1 times y. That will give you the left side of the first equation. And then 3 times x, -1 times y will give you the left side of the second equation. So that's why they're oriented this way. So let's say this is matrix A, matrix X, matrix B. To solve for the variable matrix, you can multiply both sides by A inverse. So matrix X, this xy, equals A inverse times B. So you would take the inverse of matrix A and then multiply it by matrix B, and that would give you x and y, which would be the solutions to this system right here. Now the nice thing is this lesson does show you how to do this work on a calculator. So you don't have to calculate the inverse of the matrix by hand. You can easily do that on the calculator. And that's shown in the lesson, so I don't want to ruin that for you by explaining it again here. So that's the big picture of this lesson.